save our planet. Flood and water catastrophes loom ahead. Global experts say that devastating floods on the scale of the recent catastrophes in Pakistan and Australia, and which used to occur only once every 100 years, are now expected to be as frequent as every 20 years. The warning came at an international conference hosted by Canadian Water Network, or CWN, with 300 international scientists, policymakers and economists in attendance. CWN Executive Director Bernadette Conant used as an example the town of Smithers in British Columbia, which has suffered from 3 major floods in just the past 2 decades. Global researchers estimate that climate change coupled with increased population will result in demand for water exceeding supply by 40%, leaving 1/3 of humanity with only half the water required for basic needs and also affecting food production.
Dr. Safar Adil, chair of the UN Water Agency, which coordinates the efforts of 28 United Nations agencies focused on global water issues, warned climate change will affect societies and ecosystems most profoundly through the medium of water, but there is no other way to generalize the crises ahead. At unpredictable times, too much water will arrive in some places and too little in others.
Our appreciative thanks, Mr. Adil, Executive Director Conant, other scientists and organisations for highlighting this real and urgent issue of our time. May we quicken our pace to halt climate change and return the planet to her verdant beauty with sufficient water resources for all.
During a video message for a June 2009 climate change conference in Mexico, Supreme Master Cheng Hai addressed the severe water and related crises facing the planet, along with the actions needed to prevent them.
You see, our current course of climate change is worse than the worst-case scenario projected by the United Nations Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, with the damaging and often fatal effects already being seen through such extreme events as hurricanes, flooding, droughts, and heat waves. We now can see how imperative it is to stop the warming of the planet with the greenness of all green policies and actions. The most compassionate, the most heroic, the most life-saving action, that is, the vegan diet. Organic vegan, to be exact. It is the long-term insurance against climate change. Adopting a plant-based diet can halt as much as 80% of global warming, eradicate world hunger, stop war, promote peace, and it will free up the Earth's water as well as many other precious resources, offering a lifeline for the planet and for humanity.